one and all. Today we will be making the Norman Bates Mother's Martini, inspired by the movie Psycho. Now before I talk about the movie, I just want to remind everyone, aside from the Killer Clown cocktail, I did not invent these. These are cocktails you can find through any quick cocktail recipe search on Google. Unfortunately, most of the sites I find these cocktails on do not give credit to the creators or mention where they originated. Some do, but not all. So credit always goes to them, not me. I'm just sharing it with you guys. So if you're not familiar with classic horror, then firstly, shame on you, and secondly, Psycho is a 1960 American psychological horror film directed by Alfred Hitchcock with a screenplay by Joseph Stefano and is based on the 1959 novel of the same name by Robert Bloch. The film centers on an encounter between a secretary who ends up at a secluded motel after stealing money from her employer and the motel's owner-manager and the events that follow. Now that I've told you about the movie, it's time to make the cocktail. This is super easy. For this, all you will need is black vodka, blackberry or cherry juice, ice, and a shaker. If you do not or cannot get access to black vodka, you can make your own either by infusing black candy of your choice and allowing the vodka to take on the flavor and color of the candy, or like in my case, you can use a food coloring mixture. If you want to go with that option, then you will need regular vodka, 10 drops of blue food coloring, 10 drops of red food coloring, and 8 drops of green food coloring. The color will not be pure black, but once mixed with the other ingredients, it should be good enough. To the cocktail shaker, add 1 cup of ice, 30 ml of black vodka, and 1/4 cup of either blackberry or cherry juice. Secure the top of the shaker and shake away. Then strain into a stemmed glass and serve. And there you have it. One super easy Norman Bates Mother's Martini, ready for every young boy whose mother is his best friend. And just like that, we are done. Please be sure to comment down below and let me know if you've been enjoying these videos and if you're looking forward to more cocktails inspired by movies. I am off to continue my Halloween marathon, so pray for me and my sanity, and until next time, bye.